Hey guys, it's Jose with Lasfit. Today we're introducing our all-new Switchback Rock Light. These are easily switched back and forth from white to amber with the click of this button right here. So you can just go white, amber. You don't need to change any filters. You don't need to use a complicated Bluetooth app. It's a simple click of a button. You can just switch back and forth between the two. These are easily mounted anywhere that you want. You can mount them in the wheel well, you can mount them underneath your vehicle, you can mount them on top, you can mount them in the back to see. So where you put your toolbox, you can mount these almost anywhere. They're multi-purpose. You don't have to specifically use them for off-road, although they are great for off-road use. Alongside being a dual color design, these are waterproof. These have an IP68 rating. All of these here, so you could take these into the snow, you could take these into the mud, into the river, water, any terrain. These are built to last. These are heavy duty. These will last you wherever you take them. Let's take a look at what comes with this kit. Let's open the box and take a look. Here we have an instruction manual explaining everything about the lights that you need to know. As we go deeper in the box, we have 4 high performance lights that are actually dual color, and we have the harness. We're going to go more in depth on these rock lights. As you can see on the outside of the box, they have the front and behind detailed for you so you don't get confused. We're going to open it up and see what we see inside. Now we have all rock lights set up here in the front. These are the 2 fronts and these are the rears. The only difference is that the cord here is longer than the cord for the front ones, being because these sit in the back of the vehicle and they have to run a lot longer to the front where the battery is held. Now that we've went over all the rock lights, we're going to go ahead and go over the accessories. Let's go ahead and open it up now. As soon as you open up the accessories, you're going to see all the screws that you're going to need for the install. It comes with the key to put in the screws, and then it comes with all the screws needed. Next up, we have the harness. Now this harness comes with all the zip ties as well that you need. We have all 4 rock lights right here presented for you with the harness, zip ties, and everything you need. These are the 2 fronts and these are the 2 rears. Inside the rock light, we have the 10 LED chips, and each chip, it has 2 colors, which is white and amber. These are easy to install. You can install them under your fender, under your vehicle, wherever you want. These can also be used as reverse assist lights. These can be used for multiple purposes, not just one. From here, then you connect to the harness, but we're going to show you that right now in a bit. To go in between the 2 colors, you're going to have this button. This button makes it easier so you don't have to use a Bluetooth app or you don't have to change filters. Easily with the button, you can just switch back from white to amber. And this harness here is an 8-pod harness. So this harness, as you can see here, this one goes to the rock light. But these here that are covered are in case in the future you buy another rock light and you want to add to the collection. Here, and these cables, this is what goes to the battery. So this one is a negative, this is the positive, which will all be explained in the manual. So now we're going to go and connect them and show you how bright these lights actually are. Let's go and do that now. Here's a rock light, and there's a couple different ways you can go about installing these. So now I'm going to present how to actually go forth with the installation of this product. In the rubber mounting pad, you can see here, there's different ways you could put the cord. Whichever way you choose, you can either run it this way with the cord going on the outside. That's one way, running the cord to the outside. And a different way of doing it is also running it through the middle. Instead of running it through here, we're going to run it through here this time, right? So we're going to put the cord like so and run it through the middle, align the rubber mounting pad with the bolts on the side. Now I'm going to show you the back of it. So it's going to go down the middle instead of coming out this way. The third option of doing it is sticking this cord. We're going to stick this cord through this hole. So I'm going to proceed with doing that. I'm gonna stick this all the way through. Okay, we're gonna push it all the way through, and we're gonna line the holes where they're supposed to go. Now this cord comes to the outside. What you're gonna need is a drill. It depends where you're gonna mount these. When you put it down, you're gonna need to mark where the holes go, and then you're gonna need to drill through whatever you're gonna mount them on. So in this case, we're not gonna use the drill because I'm not gonna actually mount it on anything, but I'm gonna demonstrate how to put the bolts on as well. The bolts are here. This is where when we opened the accessories, this was the first bag that came out. So we're gonna get 2 bolts, put one in each side, like so. Just gonna line up there. That's one. We're gonna put the second one on this side. It should just go in right like that. After that, you're gonna flip it over, or this should be sitting inside, mounted on something already. But as you can see here, the bolts go through. What you're gonna want to do is put a lock wash on one, and then you're gonna want to put the nut right after. So when you put the nut on the back, you can use this Allen key in the front to actually twist it onto place. It comes with the kit. You don't have to go and buy your own. As you twist it, you should hold the back, and it's gonna lock into place right now. So now should be good. This side's done. Now let's move on to this side. Like I said, once again, lock wash first, then the nut. Flip it over. I'm gonna hold it from the back and then just twist. Now this is gonna hold the rubber mounting pad into place, and it's gonna actually mount the actual rock light onto whatever it is that you're mounting it on. You can mount it onto multiple things, like I said, underneath the vehicle, um, in the wheel well, on top of your fender, wherever you want, top of a toolbox, maybe in the back, so you can see wherever you put groceries, in the back of a truck, or equipment that you carry back there, a toolbox, whatever you want. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys the back of what each one looks like. Now we have our nuts. They're both in place with the lock wash in there. That'll keep it from spitting out. The mounting pad isn't going to go nowhere, but usually this would be inside wherever you're trying to mount it onto. With these mounts, this is easy. You can mount this anywhere. You can go from under the wheel of the under your fender where your wheel goes. You could put this under your vehicle. You could put this in an engine bay, on top of a toolbox that you have in the truck or your vehicle. Wherever you'd like, you can use this to assist you in your reverse. Wherever you feel comfortable, wherever you would like to put these lights is where you can put them. They're very multi-purpose and very handy. Once you got the rock light mounted, you're gonna run the cords to wherever you need to. Then you're gonna get to the harness, right? When connecting the harness, as you notice here, we have the 2 points on the bottom with the slit down the middle, and then we got the 1 point on the top. This is exactly how you want to line it up. That way everything aligns and it sits flush perfectly. So once you got them aligned, you're gonna press firmly. You want to push all the way up to the orange. There's a little orange O-ring here. And then you're going to run this. This is to secure it so it doesn't rattle out of place. So you're going to run this and twist it on so it can secure it firmly and it doesn't cause a loose connection. It doesn't cause the light to flicker and anything like that. Once you connected it, then I can turn the light on again. Once I've connected this, I'm going to move on to the power lights, which is these right here. Power lines. This is my negative. This is my positive. I'm gonna pretend like this is my battery and I'm connecting it. So basically, I'm gonna connect my positive with positive, negative with negative. Make sure they don't touch because you're gonna blow your fuse. It's easy. You can do it with the click of a button. You don't have to change no filters. You don't have to use a complicated Bluetooth app. All you got to do is flip the switch and you'll flip from one color to the other one. So now I'm going to start with the amber light. This is the amber light. As you can see, all four are working. I'm showing you here. This is with the amber light, we have 19,000 Kelvin and 190 lumens. Now we're going to move over to the white light. The white is brighter. This white light has 6,200 Kelvin and it has 250 lumens. As you can see, just with the flick of a button, you can go from white to amber. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. This will complete the unboxing of the Lasfit Switchback Rock Light. If you want to buy this product, you can go to lasfit.com and purchase this item. Any comments, any questions, you guys can go ahead and comment that below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. See you soon.